If you want to install iOS launcher or iPhone theme on the Motorola Edge 70 Pro, then in that case we can go to the Play Store, and then here in the Play Store we should be able to simply search for an iOS launcher. So we're gonna use the search option, then tap on the search field at the top, and you can type either iPhone theme, iPhone launcher, or something similar. In my case, I'm gonna type iOS launcher. Then we should be able to find a bunch of different launchers that technically you can of course try. Feel free to try anything from this list. You might be able to find something better than what I'm about to show you, because in my case I'm just gonna choose this app over here. I'm gonna install it and I'm gonna show you how it looks like. The setup is very simple and pretty straightforward. So once we open the app, once it is installed of course, then over here we need to set it up. So you don't have to allow the app to access location if you don't want to, but in my case I'm going to allow the app to have access to contacts and photos and videos. But then in here we need to go to make default launcher, and you might see an ad in the meantime. That is completely fine, we just have to wait for it to be done. Then you want to press OK over here, and then you can switch from the Moto app launcher to the iOS launcher, so that whenever you go back to the home screen, then actually the iOS launcher is going to be used. Over here we have the information about the blur effect, which appears every time on every smartphone, so I can just tap on never over here. And there we go, our iOS launcher is pretty much ready to be used. As you can see, we have the app library as well, which we should be able to easily use. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.